Hi, my name is Justin Conway. I'm an Excel expert, and I'm going to walk you through the steps to saving your Excel sheet as an XLS document. The reason you might want to do this is the different versions of Excel, or the different types of documents, are going to allow different functions to be performed. If you have a newer version of Excel, it's going to open in an XLSX format. If you have an older version of Excel, this type of document may not be able to be opened, or certain functions within that document may not be accessible in the same way that they are with a newer one. So let's get to saving the document as an XLS. What you'll need to do is open your Word document, your Excel document, go to File, Save As, and then you'll have a drop-down menu here where you can select the XLS option. Select that, click Save, continue, and your document is now saved as an XLS formatted document. You can also select other options from the Save As drop-down, which include CSV for comma separated values, and go back to the XLSX that you originally started with. That's how to convert XLS document. My name is Justin Conway. Enjoy.